Hello guys, today we will go to Chocolate Hills to see what is happening in there, as reports of devastating fire in the area have been circulating, causing concern for the community and environment. Welcome to Chocolate Hills. To get to the top of the hills, you can take a short trek to climb the viewing deck for a panoramic view of the entire area. Make sure to bring plenty of water and wear comfortable clothes and shoes for the hike. Once you reach the top, you can take in the breathtaking scenery and maybe gather some clues about the fire.
Welcome to our vlog!
Hello everyone, a massive grass fire has broken out in the Chocolate Hills, a popular tourist destination in Bohol, Philippines. The fire started on the day of April 30, 2024. Here in Chocolate Hills, Bohol, Philippines, the fire has affected the surrounding areas, including the famous Chocolate Hills geological formation, and is threatening nearby homes and businesses. The fire started around 6 in the evening and has been raging since then, fueled by strong winds and dry conditions. The Philippine National Police PNP and the local authorities have responded to the situation, with firefighters from the Philippine Coast Guard, PCG, and the Bureau of Fire Protection BFP assisting in the efforts to contain the blaze. The Chocolate Hills, a UNESCO protected site, is a popular tourist destination known for its unique geological formation over 1,000 conical hills. The fire has also affected nearby agricultural areas, causing concern for farmers and local residents.
Good day everyone, I am Samuel Lacono Jr.
And I am Jason Queso.
and we're here in Carmen, Bohol.
Yeah.
So we're here in the Chocolate Hills that is hit by the wildfire. Which means we're here to discover and have a discovery of Carmen Chocolate Hills.
Yes.
usa ta mangutana saya to mga interview mangutana sa ta siyang pangan. Kasi pangan na to sir?
Ako si John Prince Galo,
John Prix Galo. Pila edad na to sir?
City.
Ari ra ba ta nagpuyo sir?
Ano lang.
So kad yun pag panganak nimo. Pag anak nimo. Ah. So mangutana mi sa mga tumong sir. Unsa magay ko sa kayo ara sir?
Wala pa may kabalo kay kung mayon po may sa init kay alas City nang mabuto nagsugod po. Mapadong na alas City ba kay nagadungan ba kung duha.
Duha ka bod.
Oh.
So duha ka bod alas city di kini masulti na to nga wildfire sir.
Oh, di. Alas City ang gabiin ang mabot siya god.
Yan na ba yung mga bumbero na abot sir?
Nay bumbero pero pag-abot nila ang kayo na nas likod niya di po sila ka kuan kay habog na mo kayo.
Dislak abot sa kanang core sa kayo.
Duha ka bumbiro may indong ani pero dito sa kakuan kay habog na gyud. Kaya pag sugod sa siga kay nana tunga kay di man ka sugod dali kay ubos kay na may mga kahoy gud. Ko.
Sa tunga nagsugod ang kayo.
Na dapit na. Nagkuan. Sugod kayo.
Sige. Nya. Sa laing pangutana sir, ang kanang pagka sunog na sir, dako bag damage sa inyo nga mga pamilya sir?
Oh. Wala, dili man.
Nganong kaingon man ka sir?
Sa amo dili pero sa laing tao maka-effect samot na sa munisipyo kay dako og impact sa tourism.
So ginoon ko sir, dako man gyud impact ang tourism sa ato ang mga tourist spot. Para na mo pangutana sir, salamat kayo.
Salamat.
Lingog kamot.